Hi guys, just a quick update for Buy Me a Coffee members here really. I've been on holiday, I've been back a couple of weeks now and I've been slow to get going again, so I need to get filming some brewing videos for you guys. So just going to give you a little bit of an inside look here, what's going on at the moment. A few things going on, a few things coming up. I apologise if the sound isn't great on this because I don't have a microphone on this phone. It's purely using the sound on the phone. Anyway, I'm going to flip around. Right now we've got, what is this? This is a mango honey mead. That's been going a couple of days. We've got a lager going, which is, yeah, look at that go. Lovely. These are a couple of brews that I did before I went away. One of them is an apple wine. The other one is a cherry wine. I wanted to get those on the channel before I left, but I've run out of time. Planes don't wait for you, do they? So that's what we've got going brewing at the moment. I've also got some lager in a pint of 3 there, which is the same as this brew. More on that when the video comes out. Now, on that flash there, you may have well noticed. Look at this beast. Igula have sent me an F1 for me to review for them and hopefully do a few videos with them, sponsored videos, and they've sent me a load of ingredient packs. I've got Dragon Eye Mead here, there's 2 of those, there's a lager, there's an Irish Stout, an Amber Ale, there's another mead somewhere, yeah, there's the other Dragon Eye Mead, and a Pale Ale. This is a beast of a machine. It really is. It's powered. It's got a touchscreen, and basically it brews, it serves, it gases, it does everything. Yeah, it's a great bit of kit, and I like how it's lined up against the pint of 3 there, because it's kind of like the pint of 3's big daddy. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun with that. Flip round again. So that's what we've got coming over the next couple of weeks at least. Anyway, what did I say? A lager, a mango wine. Is it a mango wine? No, sorry, mango honey mead. A couple of wines. I've got a wine kit that I need to make. I've got a gluten-free stout that I'm going to make because I've been asked in the comments, and I've got the ingredients here. Funds are a bit tight at the moment, so I'm going to be using what I've got in the brew lab, and there's plenty of it. Flippy. Now I've got juices and tins, and yeah, there's some ingredients everywhere. I've got some stuff in the cupboard, so there's plenty to be going on with. And that's about it, really. I apologise for the lack of content at the moment. As I say, I've been on holiday, and I tried my very best to get content out while I was over there. I had stuff prepared, but the Wi-Fi I had at the hotel wasn't great, and yeah, so there you go. No more excuses. Back to filming, and thanks for all you guys for being paid members, and I will have lots of content going on there so that you get your money's worth, and some more recipes and some more calculators and that. Hope you guys are using that one that I've got on there that I made. Anyway, bye for now. See you soon.